Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna draw this void lah. Okay, here you can see. Okay, first we make sure you got a floor plan that got 2 floor. So you may need to come to here, drag the rectangle. Okay, this one I'll give it a specific number, maybe 6,000. Okay, this one also I'll give it 6,000. Okay, 2 floor for 2 floor. Then in the end I will do one here on top. Okay. Or maybe this one 8,000. Maybe this one 8,000. Okay. So I'll drag another rectangle for the first floor. Okay, this one I'll give it 3,000. This one I'll give it 5,000. Okay. So this one will be the first floor. This one will be the ground floor. Okay, and make sure your wall height and setting are correct lah. So I'll make it 3,000 for the one ground. Okay, and the wall thickness I put 150 lah. Okay, so after that we're gonna go inside. Okay, go inside. Okay, click this one, go inside. Make sure you are in the ground floor. Okay, maybe I put some window and door first in here, or in case confusion. So I put a door here, I put a window here. Okay, this one don't need to put lah. The first floor don't need to put. We'll generate on the top inside the software during we copy it. Okay, so this one is the ground floor, or we are in ground floor here. Okay, I hide the thing at the one. Okay, so now we're gonna do the void here. Oh, very simple. You can go to this function, custom aluminium. Okay, in this aluminium here, you click on window garden. Okay, then you click this button, wall model. Okay, so we got 2 model. This original model we need to delete. Okay, after that we need to use auxiliary to adjust the distance or the distance. Okay, let's say this one I put 1,500. Okay, and this one here, okay, this one here I put 3,000. No, 6,000, 6,000, 3,000. Okay, shall be this one. Delete first. Delete. Auxiliary at 1,500 also. Okay, 1,500 also. Okay, then I drag this one up. Control select it. Okay, press M button, copy it. So I copy this corner. Wait a moment. Control select it. M button. M button. End point. Select it. Okay, point to here. So this one will be the top lah, or as this one here. Okay, now we're gonna need to do the window or window. Okay, so for the window, same like if you follow our video in the basic extension class, we have teach you this one. Okay, you can learn from how to do window lah from there, but I simply create one window for you guys first. Okay, window rectangle. Okay, simply draw one window here. Okay, so first thing you need to do is stretch it lah. Stretch it into the wall thickness 150. Okay, then I may need to click surface design, select the surface, right? Make sure this one become Fakadi so you can see inside. Okay, after that click on the arrow, change it, make sure arrow come to here, so the frame will do outside here. Okay, inside the wall. Click on this button, you can select window, then drag auto, then simply find a pattern, put inside, complete. Okay, so coming up we have this one also. Maybe we'll put sliding door or like this one. Is it sliding door? Oh no, it's a window. Okay, so you can follow the method, do some window lah. Okay, the end here is this one. Okay, I do one more window first. Okay, one more window, rectangle. Okay, maybe this one like this. click on it. Okay, make sure you stir it 150 the wall thickness. Okay, then select the surface design, select it. Okay, make sure it becomes Fakadi. Then make sure the arrow is correct, select again, come to here, right? Click on this one. You can choose window, or if you want sliding door also can, doesn't matter. Okay, so I'll simply drag one like sliding door. Okay, then we just drag another fence. Okay, maybe this one, 3, complete. Okay, good. Okay, so inside here you can see we got something like this. Okay, the last thing you need to do is here. You need to select free modeling, select this one, delete the surface. Then you can see at the bottom here. You can see at the bottom here. Okay, so after you return, okay, it will save you a lot of time. You just type in the cloud here, type skylight. Okay, you see this one? Or empty one, you can just drag, okay, then put inside here. So follow back the size, 3000 and 5000. So here I may just adjust it to how many? Okay, if don't know how many, never mind guys, always can do something like this. Okay, remember this one is 1500. Okay, and this one is here, the length. Okay, I change it. So this one I'll put 4450, 5000. Okay, and this one I put 3000. Okay, then we press Tab to move it. Okay, after that go back to the room, you'll see something like this. Okay, so you may have your ceiling. For the ceiling one, guys, you can use this to do also. Just double click here, or maybe here covered by ceiling, but doesn't matter, we can open. Or remember I told you we can draw a rectangle here. Okay, simply draw a rectangle first. Okay, then follow back the size you have. This one is 5000, this one is 3000. Okay, then this one is 1500, this one is 1500. Okay, so this one we can click here, the one 3D. Then you can play with the ceiling here. You can play with the ceiling, like you click this one, you can put maybe lighting, right click, downlight, or simply put downlight lah. Simply put downlight. Okay, batch. Choose. Simply put downlight. See? Okay. So thanks for watching. Bye.